and Noms, where your little chefs will cook up delightful dishes from their imagination. In Nums and Noms, your child will learn how to cook, count, correct, and learn. Start by selecting a recipe card and reading the instructions together. Count the number of ingredients needed and find them amongst the wooden vegetables and fruits. Encourage your child to stir and pretend to cook. Don't forget to serve and discuss what you've made. Look out for the special instructions card with a star. These contain fun, logical questions from a pretend customer. Help your child think critically and solve problems by responding to these questions. Check the What's Wrong card for non-edible items that shouldn't go into the pot. Your child's task is to avoid these items and replace them with the correct ones from the recipe card. Sort the wooden pieces to classify them into categories like fruits and vegetables or edible and non-edible items. Turn the wooden vegetables and fruits face down and try to remember their locations. Nums and Noms helps build early number skills along with creativity, critical thinking, and organization skills for your little ones. Ready to start your magical cooking adventure? Get your hands on Nums and Noms today. Designed and developed by psychologists and brain trainers at BFIT, where every game grows your brain.